Hey guys, it's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my favorite box I get, and that says a lot because I get a crap ton of them. So it is going to be the spring Fabfitfun box. As you can see, it's freaking massive. That's the only drawback about this box to me is how big it is, because it does not matter how small or big the items are. They always stick it in that big thing. It's cute. It's just a little large for me. Now, this is not cheap either. So it is going to be $60 per box. You get 4 a year, and that is one plan you can choose. You can also plan to pay the yearly amount. That's the one I chose, and that is $220. Now, why did I decide to do the yearly one? I like to pick every single item in my box, so you can customize your entire box, which I love. The other thing I like is that you have first crack in picking the items, and you're first in line for the sales because things disappear really quickly with this box. Now, it says a lot that I decided to choose the yearly thing. Of all the boxes I get, I do not do that with any other box. It is not to save the $5 because that I don't give a crap about. It to get it from 55 instead of 60, that means nothing to me because that big amount, if it's I don't like paying that big chunk all at once because that's a big freaking chunk. I like paying per month or per box because it's easier to swallow that amount because that's a lot of money. $220 to me, that's freaking expensive. But let's go ahead and get to the best part and see what I picked to go in this box. Now, the first item I picked are sunglasses. I don't own expensive glasses. I think the most expensive one I have is $25, $30 because I don't wear them that often. I lose them, so it's something I'd never invested in. So when I saw these, they look cute on the model, and these are pricey. So it is by Kate Spade. It comes in a very nice green silk bag, and then as you can see, they are stunning. Now I tried them on and I don't know if this is the right shape of glasses for my face. So I'm going to show it to you and you can tell me what you think because I know you guys are extremely honest, but I think my face is a little too fat for these. So let me know what you think. I think I have to wait till I drop weight. I think they would look a lot better on me, but I'm glad I got a very expensive pair. And if it ends up not working out for me when I lose the weight, if that ever freaking happens, I will give them to a friend because these are too cute to pass up. Now, they have a retail value of $129. And I actually did research on that because there are items that sometimes they stick in the box and they say the retail value and it is nowhere close. But from the department stores that I looked at and her site, this was the correct price. Of course, you can buy them on eBay for much cheaper, but this is the correct price on them. And I got the style Samantha if you're interested in it. The second item I chose is a perfume. I usually don't like to get perfumes if I can't smell them myself. I'm really picky on it, so I decided to go on the limb and pick it. I think this is called Comedy. I don't know, but I was shocked with how small the items. Excuse the ripped up box. I kind of just went in there, and as you can see, I'll let you see the name. And this is the gold version, and it is the scent space, they say, as expressive. There's 2 other ones that I saw on her site, or their site, and I really like this one. This is absolutely gorgeous. I tried it on. I don't know the longevity of it. I just tried it on my wrist. And it smells like a spicy vanilla. That's what I like about it. That's the scents that I go for. Not a sickeningly sweet, but a warm vanilla, spicy notes. I like that kind of scent family. So absolutely stoked I got that, even though I completely butchered their name of their company. And that has a retail value of $70. You get 1 fluid ounce, so it is a very small bottle. When I opened up the box, I'm like, I thought this was going to be bigger. But maybe that's better because it doesn't get cracked up during shipping. So the third item that I picked for my box is a lipstick. It is by Pat McGrath Labs, and it's the Matte Trance Lipstick in Fembot, and it has a retail value of $39. Now, the reason why I picked this is because I already know I love it. I already have 5 lipsticks in this formula. Absolutely amazing. And the thing I like about Pat McGrath is she puts the extra steps in her packaging. Does she need to? No, but you definitely get an experience when you buy this. It makes you feel special. And I usually don't harp on packaging, but look at this. One of her palettes I even cut up and I put it on my server book. That's how amazing her artwork is. And the packaging also, you see the gold lips. This looks luxe. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I am wearing this today. And again, it is in Fembot. And this is one of the rare matte lipsticks I actually can pull off. I wear this to work and it lasts me the 9-10 hours. I am really impressed. You don't get butthole lip. You don't get the cracked lips that your lips look like a freaking raisin. So that's why I picked this, because I already know I love it. Now, if you did not get this, do not pay full price. I have never paid full price for her lipstick. On the Pat McGrath site, they always have sales. They have the 30% sale all the time. I think Black Friday, they mark these lipsticks down by half. You can get a deal, so don't pay full price for this. The next item is by Amika, and this is the Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. The reason why I decided to pick this is because in my shower right now, I have the Amika Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Absolutely love it. It moisturizes this dry, crispy hair, and the smell is amazing. And can we talk about the packaging on this as well? That's another thing that Amika always puts the extra effort into the packaging, which I really appreciate. I mean, this looks like artwork. Stunning. And I'm hoping it helps my hair because it needs Jesus. Now, this has a retail value of $32. The next item is a duo. The reason why I picked this is because as a server, my feet are shacked up. I'm not even putting that lightly. I would never show my feet to anybody. I wear socks all the time around the house because I don't even want my husband to see how cracked up my feet are. So hopefully this will help him. The first thing is going to be a heel treatment by Kukio. I don't freaking know. I'm always awful at saying these freaking names. And this is an intensive hydrating heel treatment, and it is a very small jar. And this has, let's see the scent. So it smells like a spa. That's what I kind of figured. So it has like an herbal scent to it. The next item you get in the scent is a foot scrubber. And this is by Barefoot Scientist. So I'm hoping that this gets my feet where they can at least be stared at without socks on, and maybe I'll get brave enough to get a pedicure, because every time I get my nails done, they ask me if I want to get a pedicure, and I am never brave enough to let them look at my feet. That's how embarrassing my feet look. And it's not even like I don't put lotion on them. I put lotion on them. I put body oil on them. It's just being on your feet 9-10 hours a day. It takes a freaking toll on my feet. Now, this has a retail value for both items for $24.95. Now, the last item in this box, there's more, but the customization on this is going to be the new company, and it's the Super Thick Scalp Serum for hair density. And as you can see from my very thin hair, I mean, this is even blown out. If I did not blow it out, no joke, my hair would be like this as I pull my glasses down. That's how thin my freaking hair is. So that's why I decided to get this. Hopefully it helps me get thicker hair. I still have not found a product that actually gives me the look of thicker hair, but maybe this will do it. If you know a product that gives your fine hair thickness, make sure you tell me below, because I'm very interested. And this has a retail value of $45. Okay, looking at this box from nothing added on or anything else, do I think this box was worth it? I think it was a so-so box, and this is why. With all the different products for me to customize, I was not wowed by any of them. So it was very easy to pick each item from each category. So it just, there was nothing wow about it. So I expect more out of them. I don't know if I've put them on such a high pedestal, but there was nothing that blew my mind. Like I said, in every choice, I was very easy. Okay, I want that. Okay, I want that. So nothing really stood out to me. It's okay, but I expect more out of a box that you pay that much money. And plus you only get 4 a year. So they kind of hype up their box. And it's like, you only get 4 of these a year. So right now, it's okay. Nothing wow. Let's go ahead and do the added things that I decided to do. So the things I added on choice was another lipstick by Pat McGrath. Of course, I mean, and I don't remember how much extra it was, but the choices are always dirt cheap. And this color is going to be Soft Core. I'm going to put it right underneath the other one. Really pretty. These are my kind of colors. I absolutely love it. I had bolder colors, but this is my go-to color. Okay, so the next item that I added on was another Mika product, and this is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo. Absolutely love it. I will take anything that is hydrating, so I'm stoked about trying another product from them. I'm sure it's going to be bomb. Love the artwork again. So this has a retail value of $52. Now we're on to the Box Boost. I have been wanting this item since it launched, and it has been less than a year that this launched, and it's still freaking pricey. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mega Strength Rice Water Protein Moisture Strengthening Treatment. That's a lot of stuff to say, but I'm stoked about trying this. I think it has to be over $50 value. I'm not sure, but this was only $19 to add to my box. So freaking stoked about this. Okay, the next things that I do are refills. I do this one all the time. It is an extra $12, and I buy the large toys from Miss Princess Sugar Bear. And these are the toys this go around. Absolutely stunning. You get a bone with design here, and then Sherpa over here, and then this cute little watering can. So freaking cute. Are they the best quality ever? No. Usually time the new box comes, I've already thrown it away. So it makes her happy, and to me the $12 are worth it. They're not shitty quality, it's just my Jack Russell tears everything apart. The second item is going to be a floss. So when I went through my empties, I had my Reach floss in there, and it is 75 cents. I said it's bomb. I said I've tried expensive ones, and the amount of messages I got saying to try this one was crazy over on the Instagram. Everybody kept commenting about this brand. So this is going to be the Cocoa Floss Delicious Mint, and this is supposed to be a 4-month supply, and that's why I ripped to shred this box, because I thought they forgot to add the extra item, but it is in here. I thought I was going to get 2 packs like this, but they have the pack and then the refill. So I'm stoked to see if this beats my Reach. I will make sure to do an update in the description box if I like this more than my Reach. It better be freaking awesome to beat the 75-cent one. And if you go on Amazon, each one of those things are $10. $10 for floss. That's pricey. Now, I only spent for both of them $8.10, and this should last me till my next box. So I'm really interested in seeing how they are. And I think these glasses look really stunning on top of my head. Is that a look to just, instead of a headband, wear glasses on top of your head and never putting it down? Because I think I can rock that. But do I think the box was worth it with everything added to it? Yes, I do. I liked everything I added to it. I think I made it a bomb-ass box, but the retail value they said with everything, I don't know how they got it. I'm just going to say what it is. I don't know if it includes the add-ons, the refills, and everything else, but they're saying $430.95. But if you made it to the end of the video, guys, you're freaking awesome. I love you to pieces. I know you're probably holding out to this time that's about to come up. It is fur baby time. All right, here is Miss Princess Sugar Bear. She is sending all her loving kisses your way. We love you so much. Oh, by the way, she had a birthday on Saturday. Miss Sugar Bear turned 14 years old. Can you believe my baby is 14 already? So pretty. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love you guys.